Welcome to the Sugar Connect Meeting Scheduler in Outlook video. In this video, we'll walk through how to use Sugar Connect's built-in scheduling system, a professional and convenient way to book meetings with prospects, customers, or anyone you need to connect with. How you view your Sugar events in Outlook depends on the options selected when enabling calendar sync. If you selected the default primary calendar, you'll see your Sugar meetings appear directly in your primary Outlook calendar, alongside your other appointments. If you disabled the primary calendar option, you'll see a separate Sugar calendar available in Outlook. Switching to this view will display any events synced from Sugar. To create a new Sugar meeting, if you're using the primary calendar option, just create a new meeting in your primary calendar and click Save. It will sync to Sugar as a meeting record during the next calendar sync. If you did not select the primary calendar, make sure you create the meeting inside the Sugar calendar so that it syncs properly. Please note that deleting an event from your synced Outlook calendar will automatically remove it from Sugar at the next sync. Sugar Connect also includes a built-in scheduling feature that lets you share a link with invitees, allowing them to choose a time that fits your availability. The system syncs with either your primary or Sugar calendar and respects your defined business hours. To access this feature, open your Sugar Connect portal and click on Scheduler in the left panel. You'll see 3 pre-configured event types representing standard 15, 30, and 60-minute meetings. Each event type gives you a few actions. You can open the calendar link to preview the scheduling page, copy the meeting link to share through email or chat, or edit the event type. The edit screen lets you update the name, description, duration, minimum notice required, and limit the number of days available for scheduling. The meeting platform setting determines how the meeting will take place. You can offer multiple options, such as Microsoft Teams or Zoom. The Office 365 and Zoom integrations work together with the Sugar Connect Meeting Scheduler to create unique meeting links for scheduled meetings. To connect or disconnect an integration, you must go to the Sugar Connect portal page. Search for the Integrations tab at the bottom of your navigation bar and click the Connect button on the integration you want. When the integration is connected, you can expand the tile and click the Revoke button to remove access. For Zoom, there's also an option to refresh credentials to prevent expiration. Going back to configure our event type, the meeting location field is where you specify either a physical or virtual meeting place. Within the event type settings, you'll also find additional options, such as creating leads in the CRM, using your primary calendar, or requiring email confirmation. When this last option is enabled, the invitee must confirm the booking through an email link before the meeting is added to calendars. If disabled, they'll just complete a CAPTCHA to confirm the meeting instantly. You can define your availability by setting the days of the week and the hours of the day when you're available. Any existing events on your synced calendar will automatically block off that time. You can also enable or disable specific days, adjust available hours, or create multiple time windows within a single day using intervals. You can toggle the availability of an event type on or off, or delete it altogether. To create a new custom meeting type, click Add Event Type. For example, if you want to meet with Andrea for 30 minutes on Monday or Tuesday morning, you can create a new event type called Meeting with Andrea and set availability to those time slots only. When you share the scheduling link with Andrea, she'll be able to select any open times, excluding hours already booked on your synced calendar. When you're ready to schedule, click the 3 dots action menu on the event and select Copy Calendar Link. The calendar link is copied to your clipboard and can be pasted into a message. The recipient simply clicks the link and selects a time that works for them. Once they click a time, they'll be prompted to enter their personal information. After clicking Finish, the invitee will see a confirmation screen with the meeting details and receive an email from Sugar Connect with the subject line, Meeting Confirmation, please confirm your appointment. The meeting won't be scheduled until they click the confirmation link in that email. Once they confirm, Sugar Connect will send you an automated email with the subject, Booked Meeting. The meeting will be added to your calendar with the status busy, and a formal invite will be sent to the invitee, which they can accept and add to their own calendar. You should now have a clear understanding of how to use Sugar Connect's meeting scheduler and integrations with Office 365. Thanks for watching.